ML project ideas. In the realm of artificial intelligence, machine learning continues to reshape various industries, offering a treasure trove of project ideas for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One compelling project to consider is developing a predictive analytics tool for real estate price forecasting. By leveraging past market data, neighborhood trends, and property features, your model can provide invaluable insights for buyers, sellers, and investors. The challenge lies in accurately predicting fluctuations based on various economic indicators, thus requiring a robust understanding of regression algorithms and data pre-processing techniques. Another intriguing idea is to create a sentiment analysis application for social media platforms. In an age where public opinion significantly influences brands and businesses, understanding sentiments can provide organizations with a competitive edge. By employing natural language processing techniques, you can design a model that analyzes user comments and posts, categorizing them into positive, negative, or neutral sentiments. The visualization of these sentiments through dashboards can further assist businesses in formulating marketing strategies and addressing customer concerns in real time. A third project that could ignite curiosity and exploration is designing a recommendation system for personalized online shopping experiences. With e-commerce booming, consumers are inundated with choices, making it challenging to find products that fit their preferences. By utilizing collaborative filtering techniques, you can create an algorithm that tracks user behavior, preferences, and buying patterns. Personalized recommendations not only enhance user satisfaction, but also boost conversion rates for online retailers, proving the importance of machine learning in driving sales. Additionally, consider working on a real-time image classification system using deep learning. This project requires you to experiment with convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and can have applications in various fields, from healthcare to security. For instance, developing a model to identify specific diseases in medical images can aid radiologists in diagnosis, ensuring timely and accurate treatment for patients. Finally, exploring an autonomous vehicle simulation could showcase the intersection of robotics and machine learning. Building an algorithm that allows simulated cars to navigate obstacles, understand traffic signals, and respond to environmental cues can illuminate the complexities of machine perception and decision-making, offering an exciting glimpse into the future of transportation.